Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing the Whitestone Dome Glass for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and see if the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner works or not. So guys, now let's get started. So guys, here's the box, and on the front we have the most highlighting features, that's full ultrasonic recognition, full clarity, full coverage and full filling. Now at the bottom we have a quick instruction to re-register our fingerprint after the dome glass has been applied. Now let's go on with the unboxing. So guys, inside the box we have a white box, and inside that we have another white box. Next we get the UV machine for curing the adhesive. Following that we have the power cable. Next we have few accessories, then we have documentation. Now we have this lid or top part of the tray. Inside the tray we have the dome glass, and beside that we have two tubes on the sides. And finally we also get this bottom tray. Now I'm going to power off the S10 Plus. Now I'm going to use alcohol swabs to clean the screen. After that, I'm going to put the sticker on the earpiece. Now I'm going to place the top tray and place these absorption foams on either sides. By the way guys, I forgot to use the stickers to remove the dust particles. Let me just do that now. Now I'm going to place the plastic piece here, and then there's another plastic piece near the earpiece. Now I'm going to take the tube and open the blue colored cap and put it upside down into this hole. Now I'm going to turn the cap on the other side. Now the liquid or the adhesive will pour onto the screen. Now I'm going to remove this plastic supporter on top of the phone. Next I'll be removing this plastic film from the dome glass, and then I'll put the dome glass on top of the phone. Now we need to tilt the tray towards the bottom side and let the liquid flow to the middle part. Now finally remove the plastic piece from the earpiece, and the liquid will flow in all directions. For some reason, if the liquid flows towards one side more than other, manage it by trying to direct it to other areas. Now let's leave it here for a few seconds. Now the liquid has reached all corners. Now let's remove the top lid and put this UV machine for 15 seconds on the top part. And after that, we will place it on the bottom part for another 15 seconds. Once it is done, remove the phone from the bottom tray and clean it with another alcohol swab. Now once again we need to put the UV machine at the top part of the phone for 1 minute, and after that, we need to put it on the bottom part for another minute. Now it's done, so I'll just remove this UV machine, and here we have it, S10 Plus with the dome glass. Now let me just turn on the phone. Now let's see if it fits perfectly in this UAG Monarch series case. By the way guys, I've already made a video on the Monarch series cases, so you can check that out for more information. They provide drop protection, they're also military grade certified, they are sleek and will protect your phone very well. Anyway guys, even with the dome glass, phone fits pretty perfectly inside the case, and there is still a pretty big raised lip on the front from the case. Now I'll re-register the fingerprint and check to see how it works. While registering, it's asking me to press it a little harder, so let me just do that as well. And now it's done. Now let's test it. Now the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner on this phone was already pretty slow to begin with, and even after applying this dome glass, it still works and it is as fast as before. Now let me just use this phone for a moment to see if the phone is responsive or not. So guys, even after applying the dome glass, I didn't have any issues with touch responsiveness. Everything was pretty smooth and responsive. So guys, this is the Whitestone Dome Glass for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If you're looking for a good screen protector, especially a tempered glass kind of a thing, for your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus or literally any other phone out there, I can definitely suggest you this dome glass. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to know more about this product, link for that is in the description. And if you're planning to buy the S10 Plus, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.